is organizing, and this is one of the opportunity when we are meeting around 200 participants across the country. Uh, that too in a situation where we cannot meet even the people staying inside the campus. So it's a very tragic time when from every corner, from every city, from every village, we are finding some bad news coming. But it becomes very important for all of us to progress somehow. And before joining this meeting, when I was uh, listening some of the news, I saw that some of the junior doctors are on a strike. They were working for last 15 days without any break in Patna. So the requirement for soft skills and the requirement for other aspects of soft skills, which has been discussed as a part of this program, is very much uh, needed at this moment. But we don't, because we don't decide today, we don't know today, where is the workplace, whether it is a office or the work from home is the workplace. So very difficult time for all of us to manage the home and workplace. And so this COVID-19 has drastically changed the meaning of workplace. So the requirement for soft skills for the workplace, when the people are working from the home, software engineers are working from the home, many service sector participants are working from the home, teachers are working from the home, students are joining the classes from the home, evaluators are working from the home. And even if we are sick, when we are not able to travel, when we are away from the office, we are somehow connected with the IT tools, the WhatsApp, the message, the email, the internet. So we cannot say that the COVID-19 is going to be over and the previous traditional meaning of the workplace is again going to be stabilized. So it's a very tragic situation. The meaning of workplace is changing on daily basis, and the place which is called hospital, it is also a workplace. For the people who are working in the hospital, it is also a workplace. Few minutes back, we have also got this news that a head of the department of Batra Hospital just now died because of the scarcity of the oxygen. So what type of situation is emerging in the workplace? The place where he has worked for 12 years, he is not able to get oxygen. So the requirement of the soft skill is a part of the management. And this management begins from our home. This management begins from place where we are working, and the apartment and the village or the small town where we are staying today. So everywhere our responsibility and our presence is having a new meaning, because we are fighting a completely drastic situations, and in future also we have to face some of the drastic situations. So with these words, I will be very happy to listen all of you, and uh, I cannot say goodbye because we have not uh, you have not joined the institute physically, but uh, through this internet network, I must say goodbye also, and keep joining such programs in future, so that the exchange of knowledge and the exchange of ideas are the basic purpose of doing this type of activities. So if we are stop doing all these things, we are basically dead. So we have to keep on alive. We have to keep on doing all these things for our survival, because knowledge has to travel from east to west, north to south. And there isn't any boundary for the knowledge. And this type of program is really establishing that fact that we have to must do everything. And the last word by Dr. K.K. Agrawal, that the show must go on. We have to do all these things all the time. And whatever possibility we have as a teacher, as a researcher, we must continue doing all this. With these words, I just want to hand over uh, this platform to Dr. Smriti now.
Thank you, Dr. Helen. So participants, if you have to share any feedback, you are welcome. Mr. Powar, the feedback link is in your portal. You'll have to log in into AICTE participant portal.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, I'm Mrs. Dr. Hilge from Maharashtra. I just want to give a feedback about the workshop. Can I?
Sure, you may.
Ma'am, I have completed 2 workshops from Atal AICT portal, but the really a very good experience, that is to hear the IIT faculties, that is very nice. And we have learned the number of life skills and the communication skill throughout these 5 days. And eagerly, between these 5 days, I wait for the 10 o'clock when the ma'am will come, and we deliver a very nice session, and very eager to learn the IIT faculties. And that is only possible because of the online platform, which is available because of this pandemic situation. Otherwise, the face-to-face communication or the coming to the IIT in Patna or any other area is not possible for the lady faculties. So I'm very impressed through all these 5 days, all the speakers, all the eminent speakers that you have. We have got the opportunities to hear them. And thank you very much for arranging a very nice workshop for us. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks once again.
Joining us. Stay safe, do well.
Thanks, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes,
this is Vijay Deepika from Chennai.
yes, Deepika.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I'm working with DG Vaishnav College, the School of Management over here. And as our previous participant told, this also my third workshop which I'm attending with AICT Atal FDP program. And it's a great platform for for all the teaching fraternity people. And the one thing which I would like to share about this particular FDP is about how well it was organized, ma'am. Just our previous participant mentioned, it was very well organized, and it was actually there was no big towers, and it was a very tension-free FDP program. Generally, people will be like it will be a very the program will be even though the program will be scheduled, tension will prevail throughout the program. That too for 5 days. It's not a simple thing, ma'am. So I thank all the organizers for such a very well organized and tension-free FDP. That is what I would like to share. And even from the learning point of view, we cannot stop without mentioning the researchers, the speakers of all the sessions, ma'am. It was wonderful FDP program, and thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome. Thank you so much for your nice words. Rajinder Kumar, the feedback is in your participant portal. You'll have to fill it there. Anyone else who wants to say something? Anything you believe needs some improvement or some working upon?
Yes, Miss Smriti, Sarita Raut from Mumbai.
Yes, Ms. Sarita.
First of all, I want to thank you and your team for giving me the opportunity for attending this program. Uh, Really, as many said, excellent planning, excellent coordination. Your team coordination is excellent, was excellent, and all these speakers were fantastic. In a simple way, they have explained many more life skill. As a technical teacher, I am a technical teacher, and in a very simple way, they have explained all the things. Very motivational, very what informative also for me. And thank you very much for organizing this. And with this word, I will say thank you to your team.
Thank you so much. So, Dr. Shweta, would you like to wind up?
Yes, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay, so it's really very encouraging to hear such nice words from the participants. I'm sure we lived up to their expectations, and there is absolute truth in what they're speaking. It's not just that, the coordinator should not feel bad. So now that we are saying goodbye, let us end this session on a positive, good note, and all the lessons that they learned through these 5 days, they are applying now. So even if they are applying, our job has been well done. So we could accomplish what we started with. And a big thank you goes to all the participants. It is so encouraging, to float a course and see such a large number of participation, and they attended the course, and they were all the sessions, I'm sure, were very, very interactive. The questions the participants that they put forth, it really makes the sessions have good quality. So, and on top of it, let us all, and on behalf of the participants also, now I'm taking this opportunity to thank the main coordinator, Dr. Smriti Singh, who really, sailed us through the whole program, generating link and coordinating between the participants and the host institute as well as the AICTE. I'm sure the program was tension free because there was someone who was taking all the tension, because the government programs never run through without tension. So big thank you to you, and thanks to all the resource persons. They are not here, but definitely we'll take this opportunity to write an email and thank them personally, sharing the good feedback that we have got from all the participants. Uh, we should also thank AICTE for trusting in us, and trusting in our program and allowing us to go ahead with it, as well as our institute of IIT Patna for giving us all the right guidance to go ahead with the program. So uh, this is a good moment as well as little sad. So from tomorrow again, for suddenly we'll be jobless, and then we'll have to go back to our own old teaching and researching. So yes, Sara, slides banana and share karna, and every time checking the WhatsApp group, and now the WhatsApp group will be dissolved, so that will again go missing. So anyways, it was a very nice experience. So let's be hopeful in the future. If we have any such program, we'll meet again on some other domain, some other platform. So with these words, Dr. Smriti, since you started the whole thing, it's you who should close this session.
So, thank you, Dr. Shweta. So, thank you, everybody. As Dr. Shweta said, that from tomorrow we'll actually be jobless. This was something which was, again, maintaining our sanity in these trying times. And it's actually been wonderful working with Atal AICTE in the sense that they've been very prompt replying to our queries, and they have very clear-cut guidelines. There's nothing to meddle up with. So that way it's pretty good. And it's a good platform in the sense that all of us can learn something sitting at our home today. That is the best part. So you might be feeling it's the worst of times, but yes, we're just trying to make it even the best of times. So with these words, I would say not a goodbye, but let's meet again sometime again online maybe. So stay safe, everybody. Stay healthy. Take good care of yourself and your families. Bye-bye. So we log off now.
Thank you,
Bye
ma'am.
bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.